in like over a foot of snow right now. It's cool out here. It's like 60 degrees, but I'm still sweating. Been hiking for a solid 2 hours. Trying to make it to the top of this mountain. There's a lake up there. It's amazing. Woo! Literally knee deep in snow right now. You still got a ways to go. My feet are wet. God.
Yak, 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 yak. Yeah. You wanna come do these mountains? You wanna come through these mountains? No. No, come through. No one. Come up, you can't come down. Come down, you can't go up. Yeah.
Bro. Straight up waist deep. How far down did it go?
All the way. That was the worst thing that's ever happened to me.
We made it!
I'll keep that for trash.
To victory
Victory.
and beyond. 11,460 feet in the air, baby. It's the highest we've been up. Between 40 and 50. It's cool as hell. Celebrating with a little green chili hash brown burrito. How you doing, ma? A little Pacifica, a little lake view. We on that vegan life, baby. It's honestly good. It just tastes like a cold bacon, egg, and cheese wrap.
Okay.
Definitely less than 50 degrees up here. My hands are cold. We're in New Mexico in June, but we're going back down. We got 3.8 miles down. Nambe Lake, Santa Fe National Forest. Pecos Wilderness. The ice climbers. So much fun.
I just got folded like a pretzel. It's June. I might jump.
Let's go! I got him. That was sick, Dave. Let's watch Pat do the jump now.
Dude, I can't fucking do this. Going back your way.
Let's go, turtle. Oh no! Oh! Bro's leaking. Just a light 7 hours. Time to get some food. Whoa. Final distance we want?
8 miles.
8 miles.
2,000 feet of elevation.
2,000 feet. That's crazy. You got that good stuff.
These guys.
Getting that crazy hail here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. God damn, boy. Those are some chunks. Gang, HDTV, day 27. We're out here in Santa Fe, been here for about a little over a week. My boy was telling me that this usually happens when it's snowing up on the mountaintops, but when the storm passes through the lower grounds here, it actually converts into hail. Once it heats up, fades back into rain. Little tour of the crib. I got a little kitchen area, a little desk, a little tabletop workshop, a little bed. Nice bathroom, shower. What are you doing?
HDTV.